Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today is another Mount Charleston video, and I know what you're probably thinking if you have seen a bunch of my videos. Another Mount Charleston video, really? But yes, I posted about 2 videos ago, I do believe, how basically it was like it's okay to have off days. I didn't have a good time the last time I went to Mount Charleston, and this time it is about a month later, almost completely, and my husband, our son, and I all went back to Mount Charleston to try and get some photos, mainly so I could see the snow and then also so we can take some photos of his Focus. So we did go back there, and most likely in December, late December, or even January, I will probably be going there again, or we all will be going there again, because I'd like to get different types of landscape photos that I haven't done, but also with the snow. And we went this last time around, I think we got there around 2, and sunset was around 4:30, and so these photos actually turned out pretty good. And we also got a couple videos because we tried to take some family portraits, and this time, instead of doing actual photos, I tried something different, which I don't know if I like it too much because of the quality difference, but I tried taking videos and then screenshotting the photos that I wanted out of those videos for our family photos, and then just photos of Josh and I while James was asleep inside the car. So I will attach those videos, and then also those photos. Those photos are not good quality, but it's better to have them than to not have them. I don't know if this video will be long or not. I got a few clips just driving around or just of the scenery, but I hardly got any clips, honestly, when it came to videos. I tried to get more photos, and we were there for a specific reason. Let's go ahead, get into the video, and I'll show you everything that I did capture and everything that I did record. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video and also watching it, especially if you watched it all the way through. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos that I did capture and then also the photos that I took. And I hope you guys enjoyed my editing style. If you did, or even if you have some constructive criticism, please be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what I either could do better or what photos you like the most, or even if I did a good job. I am trying really hard to learn how to edit a little bit better now that I officially pay for Lightroom, and I still edit on the iPad. I think I'm gonna start trying to edit on a computer. I am trying to teach myself a little bit more. I know I definitely have a long ways to go, especially compared to like the professional landscape photographers, but I feel like I'm slowly finding a style that's more my own instead of trying to use other people's presets and then editing or adjusting how I see fit. I like instead having the more realistic to the eye, maybe a little bit more dramatic but still kind of subtle, and also a little bit moody sometimes. I feel like these photos were more on the moody but realistic side compared to the other types of photos that I've either done really bright, kind of like the air show, which was the last video I posted. Those photos were a little bit more bright, but they were still realistic. All the colors were still red and blue and white. And same with this, all the colors that you see is exactly what it looks like in person, just a little bit more, definitely moody, a little bit darker than it was, except for towards the end because it started getting really dark really fast. Be sure to subscribe, definitely subscribe if you're new here or if you're returning. I see a lot of people are returning viewers who watch my videos but aren't subscribed. So be sure to subscribe. And like I said, leave any constructive criticism or just any comment basically. I really enjoy reading people's comments and especially seeing where I can improve on or what I could do better, or if the photo or any of these photos looked really good. Thank you all so much again. I hope to see y'all next week, and God bless.